Hi, I'm Marjorie Ross.
And I'm Terry Ross.
And we're the new owners of Willard Bay Gardens. Even though we are new to the nursery ownership, we are not new to the nursery business. I have been here for a number of years, I think about 13 here at Willard Bay Gardens, and I've had experience growing annuals, putting together beautiful hanging baskets, and even digging into the perennial side a little bit. But even more than that, my family grew up on a farm, and my mother gardened all the time. And so I spent my years picking raspberries, working in cornfields. Even as a young mother with a young family, we grew a large garden, and we spent a lot of time in the garden.
I grew up in a small farming community called Hooper, and at one point in my teenage years, my father decided he wanted to build a greenhouse, and it was quite a large greenhouse, and we grew tomatoes there, and we grew them vertically, so we had to prune them and pollinate the flowers and pick them off from stilts. And now in our later years, in our married years, we have a fruit orchard, a peach orchard, which we take care of, and we're no strangers to staying busy.
With much needed help and instructions from the previous owners, Barney and Della Barnett, we've mapped out this whole year, and we've ordered in our plants. We have annuals and perennials and trees and shrubs. And just as always, you're going to find the same great service that you've always found at Willard Bay Gardens. We'll have reliable bedding annuals, hardy tomatoes and pepper starts, beautiful hanging baskets, and those hard to find perennials that you just can't find anywhere else, like ephedra. Do you know what an ephedra is?
The staff is pretty much the same people that have been here before to help you with your landscaping and plant needs. And I'm grateful for them, for their knowledge and their experience. As for me, you'll probably either find me up on the roof, or you're fixing things around here, or you'll find me out on the tractor. Wait, who's on the tractor?
As you come visit us at Willard Bay Gardens, you'll notice that we've made a few changes. We've kind of given the gift shop a new facelift, and we've got a few new options for you, some horseshoe art, some cut glass for your gift-giving ideas. So starting this year, we are offering spring Saturday morning classes starting March 30th and running through the middle of June. Some of the topics we're going to be talking about are fruit tree pruning, basic gardening, how to build a beautiful flower container, medicinal herbs, and many more. So check out the whole list on our website, willardbaygardens.com.
Some of the other things we're going to add this year is a modest inventory of trees and shrubs. We're going to have some evergreens and some maples and some fruit trees, and we'll have some crab apples and some other variations of trees and shrubs.
Another thing you might check out online is our new website. It's a great tool. It gives you some great gardening tips on our blog spot. It'll keep you abreast of all the latest events going on here, our hours. Hopefully we'll have an updated list of all the plants that are available here at Willard Bay Gardens. So check out our website, willardbaygardens.com. What do we hope that you will find at Willard Bay Gardens?
Well, I hope that even though we're on noisy Highway 89, that you can find joy and serenity, meditation.
Well, I hope that you will find fair and friendly service and healthy and beautiful plants to take home to bring joy to your space, whether that's inside or outside. And I do hope that you'll feel the joy and peace that we feel in our little spot of God's green earth.